Hey everybody, it's your treasure hunters. So what's up? What's up? Today we're gonna post our top 5 finds on the beach with the treasure hunters and stuff. Yeah, we're getting a reading here. We're gonna keep digging down.
Yeah, keep digging down there.
Scan.
Go deeper. Flip it up here.
Scan it. Oh, what's that? You're probably picking this thing up still.
Oh, it's that, yeah.
That's a new thing.
Is that a new thing?
Yeah, that's new. What is that?
Oh, well. Alright, let's go find a new spot.
Wait. Scan.
It's gone.
That's it.
Yeah, that was it.
Alright, that was our find. It wasn't much. Let's go find a new spot.
That's another piece of like.
Stay focused. Stay focused.
I'm usually right under a rock. That's where we found both the fences. We gotta go to a playground, I'm telling you. What's this thing? Because kids will lose their money all the time.
Found a crab golf ball. Crusher.
Oh, okay, cool. Pretty nice find. Oh, you hit me with a crab. Picking up anything yet?
So far, we only got those 2 pieces of fence.
Maybe we go up along the edges here.
Up along the edges over there.
Just along anywhere, right here.
It's a whole
Footage.
lot of periwinkle. I'm gonna go get some periwinkle.
Periwinkles are still treasure hunting, bro.
Yeah, here.
I think the best spot is right along this ridge.
We're going there.
You know, sometimes treasure hunting's a little harder than you think. You gotta really knuckle down and put in that work. So we're gonna get something yet. Oh, you guys hear something? Reverse.
Something big.
Bet.
Flip it up into a little pile. Wait, put that down.
What is that?
Put it down.
That's part of it.
Yeah, that's it.
On scan this file. That was it.
That was it? Okay, find 2 was,
What is that?
show us what you got there.
Yeah, what is that?
It looks like an ancient
I see
artifact washed from the sea.
Uh,
Probably off an old pirate ship.
let's go wash it off.
Let's go wash it off, see what it is.
Oh, strong beat.
And on our way to getting this washed off, we found something else beep for find number 3. It's exciting.
Move over like this way.
Heard it?
Beneath there.
Find it. Lost it.
That's weird.
Alright, let's keep on going. We're picking something up again. We almost need like something to siphon it.
It's like it's moving.
So there, it could be deeper. You see anything yet?
Try to scan in that pile.
Yeah, it's probably in this pile now.
Give her another scan. Oh. It's in there, it's gotta be deeper.
Here.
Deeper. Keep going. Still in there. Keep digging. What could be in that pile? Check that pile over.
Just dig really deep.
It's down there.
Put it down. Stomp on it. Yeah. Yeah. Flip it up.
Come on, Carter. Come on, Carter. Yeah.
Yeah. Now flip it up.
It's still in there. Yes.
That's the shovel.
Still in there. Keep digging. Oh. Ooh, I heard something. Something funny. Oh, okay. Oh my god, it's still in there.
We're getting closer though.
Wow, I want to see what this is. Hey, what is it?
Yeah, push it way down.
Holy shit.
Still in there, boys. Whew. Come on, dig in some. You're not digging deep enough.
I see some rocks. Never mind.
Oh, what's that?
Do a scan. Scan it.
That's it, alright.
Scan it. Oh, we found it. Show what it is,
What is
folks.
that?
Here it is. We're not quite sure.
Keep scanning. There might be more.
That's find number 3 or 4.
Yeah.
Great find, boys. Good job.
How's it?
Good job.
It's on nail.
You got it in my
I
pocket?
think I scanned the edge of it and then the other edge of it.
All right, that's 2 things we got to wash off. Keep looking. Possibly on our way to the water, we might have picked up another beep here.
Right there. It's weird.
Sounds like we got a reading here.
Yeah, this is like really deep. Yeah, that's good. That's
Oh.
good, that's good.
Ooh, nice. Oh, we might have got it right off the first scoop.
Scan those.
And we found something else. Treasure number 4.
There's more stuff in there.
There's more stuff in there. Okay, we got this. We're going to wash it off once we get down there. And I found something else. What's that look like? X?
Oh, it's pokey.
An old pirate nail? Yeah. Alright, let's go wash it off. Show us what it is.
There might
Show
be
it.
more.
Can I see it?
Second. Yeah, that was a. It has a pokey end on it.
Alright, we're going to go check it out too,
What is
folks.
all this stuff?
Little sticks. Little metal sticks.
Could have been a ship that went down, just parts off it.
Probably something broke.
Yeah, an old barrel or anything.
All just scattered pieces.
Yeah. Alright, let's try to find something else. We need one more to make the top 5.
Is this thing waterproof?
No. You don't hear nothing yet?
Yeah. You take over the shovel. I'm going to go with them.
We're gonna take a break and we're gonna see what we got and wash it off. So stay with us here. Let's go. You never know what this little metal detector will find. Alright, here we go. I got a couple things in my pocket too. The water's just killer today. Let's have a look.
What is that?
What? What is that? We do not know. Very sharp.
What's this thing?
Wow. I don't know, but that is some sharp, and this here is a hunk of metal of some sort.
Yeah.
Definitely some treasure. Okay, pause. Couple more things here. We're gonna find nothing too exciting yet, but I mean we are picking up good.
Well, these rocks are like stuck to it.
Yeah. Alright, well we'll take them back, and if it's anything good we're gonna scrub it down and let it soak in some water.
Yeah.
We're gonna try to find some other stuff though. Alright, so for now, it's good. We'll let you know on our top 5 here next channel. Cool. Peace out everyone.